I am your English teacher, Mr. Shivam Niman. Today, we will discuss about articles. First, we will understand what an article means. An article is a word which is used to modify a noun. Articles are some special words which helps us to use a noun which can be a person, place, animal or thing in a unique way, and they cause a special effect in a sentence before before a noun. तो आर्टिकल्स वो शब्द हैं जो हम संज्ञा शब्दों को विशेष रूप से समझाने के लिए या प्रदर्शित करने के लिए, दिखाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. These are a and the. Articles are three. They are a and the. And when used before a word, gives a special meaning or effect when used before a noun in the sentence. Now let us understand about the use of a article. A article is used before the words beginning with the consonant sound. Like we have studied that consonants are the words without a, e, I, o, u sound. And if we take example, a mango, a papaya, a train, these are some words beginning with consonants, and they are used before a singular countable noun. Like I ate a mango. Mango is a countable noun and mango is one. So we have used a. I ate a mango. It is used to express quantity. We are used to express quantity or measures. Like he bought a dozen of bananas. He got a pair of shoes. A article is used before units of price, speed, ratio, etc. He walked a kilometer. He purchased a meter of cloth. They are used before a certain number or an expression of frequency. Like there were a few people in the market. Give me $100 shows the number of a certain or numeral. And a article can also be used in certain exclamatory expressions. A article is used while writing exclamatory sentences or expressions, such as those sentences or expressions which we said to express a certain joy or pain. Like what a lovely painting, what a fantabulous shot. So these words are using a article. An article is used before the words beginning with vowels. An article is used before the words beginning with the vowels, like a, e, I, o, u. He ate an apple. They saw an elephant in the zoo. So these words like elephant and apple are vowel sound words and use an article. It can also be used before the units of speed or time, etc., which uses or begins with the vowel sound words like hour. If we see, hour is a word with pronunciation hour, but its spelling is H-O-U-R, where H is silent. So we write an hour. He took an hour to complete this work. Now let us understand the use of the article in the sentence. We know that the is used or placed before a proper noun. The article is used before a proper noun, like the Pacific Ocean. Ocean, there are oceans which are named as Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and we use the article before them. And the proper nouns are some special words denoting special name for a person, place, animal or thing. If we take example, the Gita is a holy book of Hindus. The Gita is a holy book of Hindus. Gita is a special name given to a book which is holy or sacred for the Hindu religion. And if we also take an example, the Mount Everest, the Alps, these are the names of mountains which use the article. The article is placed or used before unique objects or the group of objects like the star, the sun, the universe or the constellation. Star is a huge ball of gases, but its collection is known as constellation. So we have used the constellation. Noun, they are used with the noun representing only one particular thing. While denoting a particular thing or particular place, we use the. For example, he is sitting in the garden. The fruits are kept inside the basket. So these are particular things, so we have used the. And the is always used or also used with some class or kind of person or place. Like we have taken the example, Mother Teresa helped the old and needy people. Old and needy people are the class of person. So we have used the before old and needy. And we have also used the before beginning some sentences like the apples are in the basket, the man was sitting under a tree shade. They are used with superlative degree and ordinal. First of all, understand that the article is used with superlative degree of adjective. Those words which use est as a suffix or most as a prefix to them are superlative degree of adjectives. Like most beautiful, wisest, these are superlative degree. Superlative degree means when we compare one with many. When we compare one with many, and which is the purest or the bestest and unique to us. Like Shreya is most intelligent than Rehana and Neha. Or the Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, which shows the superior level of one thing or one noun. And they are also used to the ordinals. Ordinals are ranking numbers like first, second, third, 14th, 100th, and can also be the order like previous, next. If we take examples, July is the 7th month of the year. Monday is the first day of the week. They are used before a surname to mean entire family, like the Guptas, the Sharmas, the Mishras, and they are also used to show a class. So, articles helps us to modify a noun in our sentence, giving a creative way to enhance the writing skills of the literary work. Thank you.